morning, and the whole of the region has been cooling down from where we were in the overnight. So scattered flurries will be out there. Temperatures may go back to about the mid-20s, but I would count on going down into the teens very quickly this evening. And when you're in the teens, the road salt, the standard salt, does not have the same kind of power to thaw.
Everything is iced over and it's snowing. I don't even know if you guys can see the snow coming down, but there's snow. And it is a whopping, right now, 20 degrees. Oh, it's cold. It is so cold. Hello everyone. I am doing a day in a life video today, and it seems like I start every video in this shirt, but I actually own 3. It's a Marshall University shirt. You cannot live here and not be a Marshall University supporter. So we got a lot of green. So if you see me wearing a lot of green, that's why. We got our winter storm. It's bad. There's a lot of trees down. Internet is in and out. Cables in and out. A lot of people without electricity. We are very fortunate that we do have electricity. We have heat and we're doing well. But I thought that I would share my day in a life with you guys. I just got done making the bed. I just put all new sheets and everything on the bed. It needed to be changed. I don't have a washer and dryer yet. It's supposed to come on Thursday. However, we are due for another winter storm. So we will see what happens. But I went ahead, I have 2 sets of sheets for this bed, so I just went ahead and I changed it, and I'll just hold on to the other ones until I can do laundry. I could go to my mother and father-in-law's to do laundry, but everything is an absolute sheet of ice between our house and theirs, and it's just not worth risking falling and them falling or anything like that. I'm not wearing any makeup today. It's going to be a very cash day. I am fixing to dust in here and run the vacuum cleaner real quick, and probably put on some good scented wax melts and be done up here. I've got some trash I need to take downstairs and get in a can, and then we're going to make some lunch, which I'm going to be making some hamburgers in the electric skillet. And that is, I've got some odd and end things to do downstairs. We took a radio downstairs to listen to while we're downstairs, but most of the time we spend in here for now because we don't have a downstairs TV, and we're waiting for them to move all the additional stuff out of the living room before we go and purchase. And with all this bad weather, nobody's moving anyways. We're not going anywhere. So you got COVID, and then you got winter storm and all this ice and snow. But it is really pretty outside, but treacherous. So I'm going to get my day started. So now I'm fixing some lunch, and we're going to have some burgers. And I also cracked out the air fryer, and I've got shoestring French fries in here that came out of the deep freezer. And that is what we're having for lunch. There's our lunch. I made burgers, and I have French fries, and I'm dipping my fries in spicy barbecue sauce. And that is what we're having for lunch. Good, baby?
And Ronnie's going to dip his burger in some barbecue.
Yep, he's having 2 burgers, so his next one's going to be slathered in the spicy barbecue sauce. Okay, be careful.
Oh, how icy.
Oh, would you stop?
It must be 3 inches thick.
Get down the stairs carefully.
Listen to the crunch here.
I'm trying to not fall, and you're making me laugh. Quit. The dogs are barking.
Going over to the in-laws.
Okay, look, this is what you're going to do. You're going to hold on to this fence here.
Yeah.
And go straight down.
Oh, we're doing pretty good.
God, I hope.
We are.
Film. No, kick my ice.
Man, there's some big chunks, but yeah, we're doing pretty good.
It's flurrying.
That's okay.
And here we go.
This reminds me of Romney.
Oh, goodness. Look at the ice on the fence. Woo-hoo. It's cold.
One thing about it.
That's your dad's car. He had to pull up on the sidewalk so we could get in.
Now just go around this way.
Look at the icicles. Ooh. Oh, that one went.
Lord.
Okay, I'm done playing. Snow. snowing. Good morning, guys. It is February the 18th, and we've had an ice storm. It has snowed, and it has snowed again. I have not had any internet connection whatsoever to be able to upload to you guys, and so I'm continuing to film. Hopefully by this evening I'll be up and running, and I may not be able to monitorize or do any fancy things, but I'll be able to get a video out to you guys sometime tomorrow. So that's what I'm hoping for. I am drinking my coffee. I took you guys outside and showed you our snow this morning. It's so pretty. I have appliances that are supposed to be delivered between 9 and 1. I don't know if they'll make it, if the roads are too bad or what. But I did get a phone call yesterday between 9 and 1 they'll be delivered. So I'm up. I'm just going to have my coffee, and I'm going to go upstairs and get dressed a little bit. And I am going to just be basically just straightening up down here. I'm trying to stay quiet because Ronnie is still sleeping. I went to bed last night about midnight. I got good sleep. I feel good this morning, so it's hit the ground running kind of thing. And I do hope that I get my appliances, because I do miss cooking in a stove, and I'd love to have a fridge. And tomorrow is Friday, and I don't know what the weather is going to entail for the weekend, but I would love to go grocery shopping and get all caught up and stocked up. So we'll see what we can do. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I did video the other day. I had painters here last night. A very kind gentleman came to finish the job at he got here about 6. He worked until about 8:30. He did finish my pantry. So that is good, and it's all ready for the washer and dryer to go in, and for me to stock the shelves and organize. And I think me organizing that will probably be a separate video, so we'll see what I can do. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. Excuse the way I look, excuse stuff stacked. My in-laws got majority of everything moved out of the first level of the house. They have 2 more. Not too much to move on the second level, but the last level will probably wait till springtime. It's just too cold, too wet, too damp to even do. And anyways, I don't even go on a 3rd level, so it don't matter. But we are cleaning up and straightening up and getting things done, so stay tuned. Good morning. Good morning. Time to get up. There it is. It's being delivered. Yay! Okay, yes, I'm videoing. I'm crazy. Hi guys, we are outside taking winter photos and everywhere.
And I'm glad we did it now, because things are starting to melt.
Yeah, just little. I'll let you guys see. Here we go. We're gonna pan around, and you guys see the street. So we got a good bit of snow.
But we did. We got at least 3 inches anyway. Don't fall, baby.
I'm not wearing any socks, and the snow's getting in my shoe.
Oh, yeah, it's a little chilly on the foot there.
I need socks, baby. All right, guys. We just wanted to come in here and say hello. I'm with my sweetheart. We got our new appliances today, and
We are very blessed. Very
yes,
blessed.
we are. And now we're gonna go take
I
a
mean,
nap.
it tasted good to have some grilled cheese and some chili.
See the in-laws. We're getting caught. Bye.